feature that I want to go over is if underscore underscore name underscore underscore is equal to underscore underscore main underscore underscore. Now this is a common convention in Python and a lot of beginners have no idea how it works, so I want to break it down for you. So to look here, we have a helpers.py file, and in this file we want to call this greet function. Then we have this main.py file. And this main.py file simply imports this helpers file. So if I run python helpers.py, of course it says hello from my module. But watch what happens when I run the main.py file. It also says hello from my module. Now the reason why it does that is because whenever we import Python code, we run the entire script that's inside of the imported module. So if we import helpers, anything that's inside of this file, we are going to run it. That's just how the import works, even if you're just importing a specific feature. So now if I add this convention, and let's start by not printing out name, what you'll see now when I run python main.py is that it no longer prints out hello from my module. The reason for that is that this checks if this Python script is being executed directly. This condition here will only be equal to true if we directly ran this Python module. Now let me show you why that's the case, because if I print the name here, you'll see that when I run main.py, you'll see here that the name is equal to helpers, and that's because that's the module that we're inside of. Whereas if I run the helpers.py file, you'll see the name is equal to main. So whenever you run a script directly, the name variable in that script is going to be equal to underscore underscore main. But when it's imported from something else, it's going to be equal to whatever the name of the module, or in this case, the file is. So this check just simply tells us, are we directly executing this code? If we're not, then don't do this thing. And the reason for that, again, is because a lot of times we want to import and reuse Python code, but we may not want to actually trigger something to happen inside of that script.